Spins?
Spins, but a whole lot of drag. It may just get down, that's all.
It's moving up and down that shaft too, isn't it?
Very little, yeah.
But that's a good sign. That's a good sign, isn't it? Yeah. Absolutely nothing. You want to drive up there with me to cushion? That's good.
I mean, this
You see what that is?
something's going up and down with it.
Well, also this looks crushed right here too.
Yeah, they just banded that little tight.
Oh, okay.
See, there's and I don't know if that's supposed to be with green country, but there's some kind of bushing riding up and down with it. But I mean, it's free.
Not gritty at all.
No, that's not gritty. See that one like a cab.
Another day in paradise. We brought the rig out here to take out the submersible pump that we had. We turned on the pump, found out that there was the actual pump was getting locked up. We had no idea why, so we brought the rig out here. They're pulling out the submersible pump right now to figure out what's going on with it. We didn't know if it was a bad bushing. We didn't know if there was sand or paraffin that had locked up the motor. So anyways, we took it out. They're actually finishing up right now. They're gonna go and put it up on the truck and go and take it back to, I guess, their headquarters to see what's going on with it. So far, everything is moving. The inside parts, the intervals are actually moving as well. So we just think that there was just a paraffin built up, which if that's the case, that would be excellent. So they're gonna go and take that to their shop tonight. They will be out here tomorrow so they can go ahead and install it. Again, hopefully without a big repair bill. That's plumbed in, 2-inch poly going all the way to the other knockout. Getting ready to go and bury that. So got to start, and then we started burying. And I'll show you what we did over here as well. Again, that 2-inch poly, it's already dug all the way under. Getting ready to come up here.